tuning in to Naturally Tanya. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a quick second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell right next to it as well so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. And if you are returning to my channel, thanks for rocking with your girl. You know I appreciate you. And let's hop on into today's video. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a quick and easy natural hairstyle for type 4 hair, especially since I have 4C hair. I know it works for type 4 hair. And if you want to see how I create this little do I'm rocking, just keep on watching. We're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna be styling my natural hair today. This is just freshly washed hair that my hair is freshly washed. I just allowed it to air dry with no product. So we're gonna go ahead and see what she's looking like. My hair, I love that sometimes I'll get this nice definition with no product and it's like, this is not even the hairstyle though, you know? Then on days when you're trying to do a braid out, you don't have good hair days. That's natural hair for you. Natural hair is moody. So I'm gonna just apply a scalp oil to my hair right now. Alright, and I'll try my best to leave information for this scalp oil in my description box. This is a scalp oil I purchased from one of the young ladies in my church. Shout out to you, Asia. Looks like this. And I've been using it and I like the results. I like to just massage it into my scalp after a nice wash. And then I'm gonna be going in with my Ouidad Bodyworks Coconut Shea Leave-In. And then you can just make sure your hair is nice and detangled. You can do a finger detangling. I'm just gonna do a light run through with my wide tooth comb. Gonna repeat that on this section right here. Well, I'm gonna repeat it on all the sections, but we're gonna do it on this first half here. And you just want to make sure your hair is nice and detangled because it will lay flatter, which is why I dried my hair like this, because I find that drying my hair in these sections and like these mini ponytail braids, it allows my hair to get more stretch for when I'm doing styles where I may want it to lay a little flatter. I almost did some Bantu knots today, but then my energy level was like, nah, maybe next time. Now I'm going to release the other section. And I'm gonna actually just apply a little avocado oil. You can pick this up a bunch of different places. This is just what I have on hand, and I think I got this from like Burlington Coat Factory or Marshall's. I'm not sure where, guys. Wherever the price is right, that's when I pick up these little specialty oils. But it's one of my favorite oils to use in the summertime. I'm just gonna coat my hair with it. Alright. And now I'm gonna take my brush and just brush and now I'm gonna actually just apply a little edge control to my edges, and I'm gonna show you guys the edge control that I've been loving. I have been loving the Style Factor Edge Booster. It's a stronghold water-based pomade. I have this in blueberry. Picked this up at my local beauty supply store. Shout out to my sister for putting me onto this, because this is the only thing that like somewhat keeps my hairs in line. My hairs don't really lay or respond well to any type of like edge control ever. But this, I get pretty good results, you know, I get a pretty good lay. And it has a good medium to strong hold. So we're just gonna apply this around the outer layers, and I'm just gonna brush. Alright, and you're just gonna take a scrunchie. This is what I'm using. And alright, what we're gonna do now is make some twists. It's up to you, whatever size twist, how you want to make them. I want to do some medium twists. And we're just gonna repeat everything on this opposite side and make it match this side right here, okay? Alright, so now that that's done, we are just literally gonna pin like this and then like this. Okay? Now I'm not leaving right away, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair up. If you are someone who likes to lay your edges, you would lay them first and then go ahead and tie your hair up and give it a few minutes. So we see that this is the finished look, guys. Right. Nice and quick and simple and easy. All I did was just do a little swoop on my sideburns because that's the only thing that I really know how to do. I don't really, you guys know I don't really take a lot of time to be laying no edges or anything like that. But I love this style. I just feel like it's so cute and it's so easy to do. I feel like it's very beginner friendly. Like, we can all do this. And I love it because it's good year round. It's good in the winter time, summertime, whatever. It's a good protective style because your ends are nice and tucked away and you can leave it in for the week or a few days. I know for me during this pregnancy, I do not have the energy to do my hair every day. So I will be leaving this in for a few days at least, for sure. Alright, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below letting me know again what you think of this hairstyle. Of course, share this video with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. Also, follow me on social media so you can stay up to date on all the shenanigans. And until next time, bye guys.